welcome to another episode of Tech Appetizers. My name is Amanda Hunt, also known as the Next Gen Librarian, and today I'm taking us to a throwback. So we're going to talk about Padlet today, and I know that Padlet's been around for a very long time, so much so that I don't think I've used it in so long. There's like nothing in my recents when I went to go play around with it today. But they have introduced a new feature that is going to help fill the void that Jamboard has left since Google stopped using Jamboard. I think FigJam is another option. I know that Cami allows for whiteboarding if you haven't tried Cami yet. But then now Padlet has introduced Sandbox. So when you first log in, they're really pushing it. So this will be the first thing that you see after you log in. It can be a single sign-on. So I use Google, my district Google for this one when I get in. And it has like my recent Padlets that I've done, if the ones that have been made by me, shared with me, ones that I've archived, and ones that I've trashed. And then you can also look up about gallery and see some templates. You can go to learn and watch some how-to videos on how to use Padlet. Basically, if you're not sure, or it's been a while, Padlet is a place to drop information, drop questions. It's a great parking lot activity, exit ticket, um, kick off your class ticket, however you want to do. And you can put a question and it can be down in columns. We use it in our district for during the holidays when our technology department does like tech yourself or what tech the halls, whatever it's called. And you can insert videos, you can insert photos, gifs, text, and you can answer whatever question is at the top of each column. So I do like using it with students. I've used it for 6-word book talk lessons. I've used it for just to get a quick response. Everyone can see everyone's responses, so be careful with that. But I make the kids log in to their Google before they type a response so that it doesn't say anonymous, right? Because I want to be able to find if anybody says anything inappropriate. So let's take a look and create your first sandbox. This is going to be the first thing you see when you open one up. It has a template ready to go so that you can see, and well, actually this is an example, and then page 2 is going to be the template that you get to create. You can add your own card below. You can insert videos, you can draw, which I love. That's one of my favorite things about a whiteboard is that kids can draw. We are a one-to-one iPad district, and a lot of them have Apple pencils or knockoffs of Apple Pencil, and so they can draw, which they like to do. They don't do a whole lot of writing anymore, like with their hands, and so it's nice to have that option. You can upload images, you can put in links, obviously there's text, and you can add little notes and stuff. So I like that everything is right here for you to insert and add. Obviously, there's lots of options that aren't included on this example. You can upload from Google Drive, poll. I love subtitles on things, and we want to be accessible for all our students, so that's nice. Audio recorder. So if you're a Moat fan, this one's going to be a good way to continue to give those auditory example lessons and directions for students. You can add your location, YouTube, GIF, Spotify even. So I am super excited. I know that AI is used in this one. Whenever you see little stars, just a little tip, it's generally going to have something to do with artificial intelligence. So I can't draw at all. My parents, my mom and my brother got all those fun artistic genes, but this is probably one of those things where you can type what you want it to draw and it'll draw it for you using AI. So just something fun to play with for back to school. Let me know if you have any questions and which app you want me to focus on next. Bye.